Now I am. All right, everybody. We're here today. It's going to be another great day here. We're in Philly. You know what we're doing? We're doing another cooking episode. Out and about in Philly. What are we chasing? What are we chasing today? I think we're chasing, pretzels. Pretzels, that's it. Soft pretzels. And we're going to find one of the best places. We're downtown in Philly looking at the Reading Food Market. Reading Food Market. Philly cheesesteaks and soft pretzels. BFAM is here! BFAM is here!
And I promise myself it will never happen again. But oh, you say I'm broken and weary. And I promise myself it will never happen again. But oh, you say I'm broken and weary.
Okay, so we got our pretzels, right? The magnificent pretzels from what is this? The Reading Terminal. Oh yes, Reading Terminal Market. And Cindy's already dug into it. She says, "What? It's what?
Buttery.
Buttery.
Crispy.
Crispy.
Soft in the middle.
Soft in the middle." Okay, so would you say it was one of your better pretzels?
Just different.
Just different.
It's a Pennsylvania.
It's a Pennsylvania pretzel.
Would you like yours?
Yes, I'd like some of my pretzel. We'll see what happens. Okay, I got to manhandle this at the same time. And let's see here. I got a pretzel. It's about a hand size big, which is pretty good. It's warm.
Yeah, it's warm.
Okay. But doughy, yeasty, a little thin.
Crispy on the outside.
Got a good crisp. Definitely need something to dip in. Luckily, I got that. Yeah, I can understand why they have this for breakfast. They're known for it. It's like a warm bagel, and they're making them on the regular just soft. So, Philly pretzels. What do you think? Pretzels on you. Definitely the best thing to try. Come on down to Philly. Get you a pretzel. Okay guys, BFAM Cooking, as you know, we're at this pretzel place all the way in Washington, and we are shooting my next video talking about soft pretzels. Yesterday we were downtown getting some soft pretzels from one place. Today, or this morning, they're only open till 10:30, so I gotta grab them quick and get it back to the wife, make sure she can try it. All right, quick soft pretzels down here in Philly. Can't wait to try this one. They look excellent, and we're right at the door. Let's grab it. Okay, so we're out. We got our Wow, I caught on my own shirt. All right, so we're out. We got our own pretzels. And we're out. We have our own pretzels. It's really, really affordable. Under $5 for 6 pretzels and cheese. I got a Snapple. It's definitely a home family group. And these pretzels are warm. Can't wait to get them back to the hotel. Talk to you later. All right, this is what 6 pretzels look like. 6. Look at that. 6 pretzels. Well, anyway, we're about to try them. I am not going to show you where Cindy is, but the most important part is that you have to remember this is a warm morning pretzel. It was under $5, including the cheese. I understand why they had a 4.8, which is the highest rated pretzel place in the city. You must try it out. That is Center City Pretzels. You got to pre-order if you want something special, but traditional pretzels in your face is ready for you there. Come to Philly, try their pretzels, enjoy. Center City Pretzels. Check you later. BFAM Cooking. Hey, we're at that point again. If you like what you saw,
You know what to do. Like, subscribe, share.
don't be a stranger.
BFAM!
We'll see you next time.
Peace!